The Little Seed's Big Journey, a story of courage and growth. Have you ever wondered if something so small, like a seed, could turn into something amazing? What would it take for that seed to grow and reach for the sky?
Come on, kids. Let's dive into a wonderful story about a tiny seed who faced many challenges but never gave up on its dream to grow into something extraordinary.
Once upon a time, in a colorful garden, there was a tiny seed named Sam. Sam looked around and admired the towering trees, bright flowers, and lush bushes. But Sam felt very small and fragile in a world that seemed so big and powerful.
Could I ever be something as wonderful as the flowers or as mighty as the trees?
Sam wondered. Sam's thoughts were interrupted by the wise oak tree, the oldest and wisest in the garden, who noticed the tiny seed's worries.
Sam,
The oak tree said gently,
every tree, every flower, every tall blade of grass started just like you, as a small seed. To grow, you must believe in yourself and push through the soil, even when it feels tough.
Encouraged, Sam decided to try. Each day, he pushed his roots a little deeper and his stem a little higher. But as he grew, Sam began to face challenges he hadn't expected. The first twist, the shady bush. As Sam grew taller, he noticed that a large leafy bush was blocking the sunlight he so needed. Sam felt worried and weak in the shade, wondering how he could ever grow big and strong without the sun. He thought about giving up, but he remembered the wise oak's words.
Push through no matter what.
So Sam found a way to lean and stretch around the bush, reaching toward the patches of sunlight that peeked through. Slowly but surely, he grew taller and closer to the warm sun, which made him feel stronger each day. The second twist, the heavy rain. Just as Sam was starting to feel confident, a huge rainstorm hit the garden. The raindrops were so heavy that they pushed him down, bending his delicate stem almost to the ground. Sam felt small and defeated again.
How can I grow in such a storm?
He cried. But as he lay there, he realized the rain was also soaking into his roots, making them stronger and giving him the nourishment he needed to grow. He took a deep breath, braced himself against the storm, and used the rain to grow even more. The storm eventually passed, and Sam found himself standing taller than before. The final challenge. The hungry caterpillar. One day, just when Sam was growing into a sturdy sunflower, a hungry caterpillar came along. The caterpillar started nibbling on Sam's leaves, leaving holes and making Sam feel worried and weak once more.
I worked so hard to grow these leaves.
He thought,
Why would anyone want to take them away?
but the wise oak tree explained.
All plants and animals share the garden, and by giving a little, you could actually make the garden a better place.
So, Sam let the caterpillar nibble a little, and soon enough, the caterpillar crawled away full and happy. A few days later, Sam watched in awe as the caterpillar transformed into a beautiful butterfly that flitted around, helping pollinate the flowers, including Sam's own sunflower petals. The big transformation. Over time, Sam became a strong, beautiful sunflower, brightening up the garden and inspiring every new little seed with his story. He realized that each challenge, the shade, the storm, the caterpillar, had only helped him grow stronger and wiser. If a tiny seed like Sam can face storms, shade, and even share with others, what amazing things can you do when you face challenges? Morals of the story. Every challenge makes you stronger. Life's obstacles, whether big or small, help us grow. Just like Sam, we become stronger and wiser by facing and overcoming challenges. Kindness makes the world brighter. Even when it's difficult, sharing and helping others creates a more beautiful and connected world, just as Sam's kindness to the caterpillar added color to the garden. Believe in your own potential. No matter how small you feel, remember that you have the power to grow and achieve your dreams. With patience and self-belief, amazing things are possible.
Thanks so much for watching. If this story touched your heart, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Together, let's spread the joy and wisdom.